Hi guys, good morning. Another day, another travel vlog naman. So ngayon, kasi wedding anniversary namin, tapos birthday ni Mrs. guys. So magta-travel kami. So check nyo kung saan kami pupunta guys. So abang-abang kayo. So let's go to the airport. So, nandito na kami sa Laguindingin Airport, guys. So, pupunta tayo Manila, then Manila to the country kung saan kami pupunta, guys. Hintay-hintay lang kayo. Let's go! So, hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa Terminal 3. Touchdown na tayo Manila. So, Manila to Vietnam na tayo, guys. So, hintay muna tayo. But before that, pag pupunta kayo ng Vietnam, guys, so, fill up nyo lang yung e-travel, tapos may bago silang pre-arrival na parang e-travel din sa atin, guys. So, before kayo pupunta, so fill up nyo lang muna yung pre-arrival ng Vietnam, guys. Tapos yun, wala namang bayad. Tapos yun, magbayad kayo ng travel tax na 1,620. So kami upon booking ng flight namin, guys, nagbabayad na talaga kami para less hassle na lang kasi di natin alam baka mahaba yung pila. So yun lang, guys, hintay-hintay lang tayo sa flight natin, tapos let's go. So hi guys, tapos na kami sa IO. So parang 2 minutes lang yata. Yung tinanong sa akin is kailan yung balik, yun lang. Tapos tatak na agad. Tapos yun, sa'yo ma, ano tinanong? Ha?
Government employee, post video, kailan balik?
Ang dami, guys. Pero so far wala naman. Tapos tuloy-tuloy din naman. Yun lang. Tara, proceed na tayo sa boarding gate. Ano tayo ma? Boarding gate 116. Let's go. So boarding na tayo, guys. Let's go. Touchdown, Vietnam. So, waiting tayo, guys. IO muna tayo, tapos pick up natin yung luggage natin, guys. Let's go. So, hi guys, nandito na kami sa Danang International Airport, guys. So, first thing first, of course, mag-withdraw tayo, guys. Gamit natin yung GCash. Compare natin yung GCash, Maribank, tsaka GoTime. Yung ano yung pinaka mababa ang charge. Tapos yun, kuha tayo ng SIM para may internet tayo. Tapos yun, punta na tayo sa hotel accommodation natin. Mag-grab lang tayo, guys. So, yun lang. Let's go! Hi, mom! So, we're waiting sa Grab. Going to our hotel, guys. So, see ya! Welcome back! Let's go! So, nandito na tayo sa hotel accommodation natin, guys. So, check-in muna tayo. Time check. It's already 11. So, hintayin na lang natin kasi may nauna sa atin, guys. So, let's go! Ay, ma'am. Pilipino pa kayo?
Yeah.
Pero, red yung hair. Hello!
So, honeymoon na, right?
Yeah.
Congratulations to you!
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. Will you anniversary? Happy Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, what is that?
Happy wedding anniversary, eh? Happy birthday. So,
Oh, there's one.
may surprise tayo, guys. Pang international, I'm not local. What can you say, mom? Excuse, ma'am, kumadaot ang flower. Happy birthday to you.
Congratulations.
So, hi guys, nandito na tayo sa room. So, yun. By the way, yung room namin guys is ocean view. So, makikita natin yung ocean dyan mamaya. So, yun lang guys. May little surprise. Happy birthday. Happy wedding anniversary. Tapos, special thanks pala sa friend namin na Vietnamese, si Sunny.
Sunny boy.
Kasi siya yung
Tour guide.
yung tour guide namin. Siya yung,
Join our group tour.
yeah. Tapos siya yung parang
Thank you, Sunny, sa effort.
pumunta dito para mag-avail yung surprise package. So, thank you, Sunny. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Yun lang. Bye. Yeah, magkikita tayo ni Sunny. Yun lang.
It's moments like this I wish I could replay Freeze frame every second
So, hi guys. So, first thing first, of course, banh mi. So, it's around almost 12 midnight.
No, 11:38 here.
Oh, 11:38.
+1, Philippine time.
Yeah, so, yun. Kain muna kami guys.
Almost 1 a.m.
So, nag-order kami ng sausage, banh mi, tsaka
Hot coffee.
hotness salted coffee guys. So, tara, kain tayo. Let's go! First bite.
First bite.
One of the best seller daw nila ate. Yung beef. Tapos bumili ako ng sausage sa akin guys. Kasi may kumain kanina na jelly ako.
Dead po?
I don't know. Sarap. Okay, first bite. Banh mi. Beef yung best seller daw nila guys. Ito. Banh mi na may cheese, na may halo-halo na. Laki niya guys, oh. Mas malaki pa sa face ko. First bite. Ito talaga yung mga authentic na mga banh mi guys dito sa Vietnam. Sarap. Yung bread, sarap din. Tapos, nag-order din kami ng sausage guys. So, try natin. German sausage yung binigay sa yung best seller doon niya sa hotdog. Sarap guys. Sarap talaga yung mga sausage dito sa Vietnam guys. Tapos, nabigay pa si ate ng free na tea. So, nag-order kami ng sea salt coffee na hot. Tapos, may freebie kami na tea. Binigyan kami ng free na tea. Talaga healthy sila dito guys. Sarap. So, how's the experience ma? Sarap.
Yeah. First night pa lang.
First night masarap na.
Satisfied. So good.
So good. Sea salt coffee.
Say hi.
Hello, Toffee. Hi. So hi guys, nandito na tayo. So quick room tour lang tayo. By the way, nandito kami sa Avatar Danang Hotel guys. So parang 2 minutes walk lang from Mikey Beach. So tara, libot tayo. Let's go. So pagpasok ko sa pinto guys, as yun, may closet na agad. Tapos of course, may safe box. Tapos ano pa ba? Yun, lagayan ng luggage. Mini ref nila dito. Tapos may binigay silang water, dalawang water. Coffee. May mirror dito guys. May mom's. Tapos yun, may TV. Tapos ito yung bed namin guys. King size. Tapos ito yung CR nila guys. So parang aquarium lang. Ocean view yung kinuha natin. Of course may isang mirror pa dito. Hi. Hi. Uy, pogi. So ito, ocean view. Late na kasi kami dumating guys. So dito guys. Kita mo yan yung ocean bukas. Check natin. So, yun lang. So, hi guys. Good morning. This is our second day here at Danang guys. So, beach muna tayo. Ano nga ngayon eh? Around 6 a.m. in the morning guys. So, check natin yung sunrise. So, let's go. Where's Momsh? Hi Momsh. Hi. Happy birthday. Yeah, birthday niya ngayon guys. Let's go. Let's celebrate. Party, party. Bye. Outfit check. We're going to the beach. Wow. Good morning, Danang. So, that's our hotel. Tapos, papunta tayong beach, guys. So, 2 blocks away lang. 2 minutes lang. Parating na tayo sa Mikey Beach. Hey, birds. Let's go. Tulog pa ang bird, oh.
Finally back here.
Yeah, nandito na kami sa May and Beach guys. Yung katabi nito is yung Mikey Beach. So, ligo muna tayo. So, nice view. Nice sunrise guys. It's a long beach guys. So, papunta doon. Tapos, doon ang haba talaga guys. Tapos look, yung mga building, yung mga hotel dito na beachfront. Ang lapit lang nila. Ay, ma'am, Pilipino po kayo?
Yeah, I am
Okay.
100% Filipina and 100% Vietnamese.
So, hi guys! Hi! Nandito kami sa
Enjoying
beach.
here.
Yeah.
We really love their beach. That's why they keep on coming here. So this is the third time. And he looked done.
Yeah, this is our 4th time in Vietnam, then 3rd time in Danang guys. So, yun, kung gusto mo talaga mag-relax,
Yeah,
peace of
just chill.
mind, just chill,
Coffee.
and coffee,
Visit here.
just be here at Danang. Yeah, it's free
No
for all.
entrance.
No entrance, wala talaga. Kahit piso, wala.
Yeah.
Tapos marami na ring nagbebenta mga mini bars, mga club, beach club dito sa gilid guys. So, pupunta kayo dito, mas visit talaga ang May and Beach or Mikey Beach guys. Dito at Danang. Malaki yung waves ngayon guys, malalaki yung waves. Gusto ko mag-surf.
Feels it.
Steel shark daw po. Hey guys, basig ni nangitaan ni oh. Isa nangitaan ni. Nara ni siya nagulat na ni guys. Nara oh. Oh. Isa nangitaan ni niya. PM lang sa comment section. Kaya mangita tada ni. Hi ma'am, nito ang sugar daddy.
Yeah! Ayun tayo na yung sugar daddy na rin.
Yeah, let's go.
Then I'm with my sugar daddy.
Okay. So hi guys, pabalik na kami ng hotel. So, lakad din
We're
lang
done.
agad. Yeah.
Nice day.
So, maaga pa
We're not
dito
sun
guys.
just here. Nice day.
So, lahat ng tao dun nag-exercise dun sa beach guys. So, talagang healthy sila dito. Yeah, ramen din. Bread. Breakfast. Orange. Kimbap. Stir fry vegetable. Egg fried rice. Para masarap to. Bacon. Sausage. Ano to? Fried squid. Kasaba. So hi guys, good morning. So we're going to the VG shop guys kasi nga bibili kami ng DJI Mic 2 or depende lang kung anong available. Kasi nga yung mic namin
Wala.
nawala namin sa Macau. So bibili tayo ng bagong mic. So check natin. Check natin yung DJI store dito na guys sa Danang. Tapos maybe ikot tayo sa mga mall. Ito.
Shopping.
Magsha-shopping daw siya guys. So pagbigyan natin kasi birthday niya ngayon.
Kasi anniversary mo.
Kasi anniversary ko daw. So let's go. So hi guys, nandito tayo sa VG shop kasi nga bumili tayo ng mic ng DJI natin kasi nga nawala dun sa Macau yung mic natin guys. So we're here at VG shop Danang kasi nga may available dito. So halos lahat ng mga binibenta nila dito guys is DJI na mga products. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Once mag-visit kayo dito guys, punta lang kayo. Ano to? Google Map na lang, Waze nyo lang. Madali na yung makikita. So let's go. Thank you. So hi guys, next stop natin is Con Market. So from VG shop guys, nakabili na kami ng mic. Tapos yun, papunta tayong Con Market. Check natin kasi yun mga market na hindi namin napuntahan last time pumunta kami dito. So check natin kung anong meron doon. Tapos naghahanap kami ng mga authentic na Vietnamese food talaga. So sabi nung guard doon sa hotel, Con Market is what must visit and must try. So let's go. Yeah, so ito yung market nila guys. So this is the entrance of Con Market. Tara. Sugurin na natin kung anong mabibili dito guys. So check natin kasi nga last time hindi kami nakapunta dito. Budol na tayo guys. So check pa natin yung ibang binibenta dito. Napasalubong nandito Con Market. So dito kami guys. So try natin yung halo-halo nila tsaka avocado guys. So daming kumakain dito ng mga local. So it means masarap dito. Let's go. So ito yung halo-halo nila guys. Check natin. So may parang mango, avocado tsaka durian. Tapos may parang crispy ano ba? Ano ba? Crispy. Coconut. Coconut, crispy coconut. Crispy coconut guys. So check natin kasi one of the best seller to. Lalo na ngayon mainit dito guys. Check natin, let's go. Okay, thank you. This one is the avocado jackfruit ice cream na may crispy din na coconut toppings, guys. Tara, tikman na natin, guys. First bite. May avocado, jackfruit. Sarap ng dried coconut. Hindi ito itong favorito ni Papa ba? Ito? Abana. May abana. So refreshing. Must try din to. Sarap nito. Yung ice cream dito, guys, may mga abana. Sarap
ice cream.
Abana, ube, crispy, langka. Must try talaga dito, guys. Punta kayo sa Kan Market, tapos yun, try nyo yung mga authentic na pagkain dito. Mamaya check natin yung mga sabaw-sabaw dun. Let's go. Hello guys, maayong gabi, maayong udto ug maayong buntag. So hi guys, ito pala si Sunny, guys. This is Sunny.
Hello,
Our friend, our friend here from Vietnam. So siya yung tumulong sa amin para sa surprise. Siya yung nagbayad, guys.
Yes.
So, contact person namin dito sa Vietnam, guys. It's one of the best tour guide dito sa Vietnam, guys. So, if pupunta kayo dito, guys, you can... This is your company?
That's my company.
Yeah, Haba Travel. So, book nyo lang siya sa Haba Travel, guys. So,
You can contact me, Sunny Boy.
yeah, Sunny Boy. Okay?
Good weather.
Good weather. If you're okay, let's go. Bye! Delivery kami matcha and egg coffee from Sunny. Okay, thank you, Sunny. So hi guys, nandito kami dito sa 111 shop dito sa Vietnam, guys. So check namin yung mga paddle nila dito. So bumili kami, tapos look. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. Yeah. So bumili kami ng apat guys, green, pink, blue, tsaka black. Tapos binigyan kami ng free na bola. So hi guys, yun, nakabili kami, nabudol kami dun, guys. So bumili kami ng apat na paddle, guys, for the kids. So yun, let's play kasi nga pickleball era na natin. So hi guys, this is our third day na, guys. So let's go. Punta muna tayo sa Puma, guys, kasi nga bibili natin si ate if may available size, available color na gusto niya, guys. So let's go. Gala time. So we're here at Puma, Danang area, guys. So dito tayo kasi nga mas marami silang bagong design. So hanap tayo para kay ate kasi may request sa ate na yung latest na Puma design. Look, guys.
And pink? How about the pink? You have size 8? Yeah, this one.
First model of the day, Puma. Yeah. Hi, Kuya. Yeah. So, first model of the day, guys. Puma. Hawak mo.
Nice.
Nice. Let's go. Saan tayo next? So, yung price dito, guys, is 995,000 daw. So, around 2,000 pesos plus sa atin, guys. Pero may mga naka-sale sila, 10% off. Tapos yun, Vietnamese brand, Rich Chic. Yun. So, yun. Check nyo, mga dress, pants. Okay, another budol. Yeah, your name is? Your name?
Queen.
Queen, and you? Sine? Sane? Okay, Sane. Okay, thank you. Thank you, House of Free Lake. Bye. Xin chào. We're here at one of the Vietnamese store, guys. Yeah. Maganda yung cloth quality, guys. So, it's a Vietnamese brand. Okay na din. For the price of, ano ba to? 319,000. It's okay, guys. Nandito tayo sa... What's the name of the shop? The G-Men? Yeah, nandito tayo sa G-Men, guys. So, nabudol tayo. Maganda kasi yung tela. So, binili namin. Tapos, terno na siya, guys. So, medyo... So, nabudol na naman tayo, guys. So, let's go! Another budol na naman, guys. So, lunch muna kami dito, guys. One of the authentic na store or restaurant dito sa Vietnam, guys. So, steamed chicken tsaka fried chicken lang. Try natin kung ano yung lasa nila, guys. So, may free soup. Tapos yun lang in-order namin kasi gusto kami kanina sa breakfast, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning. It's around, ano oras ma? 5:17 AM dito sa Vietnam, guys. So, punta kami beach kasi nga gusto nyo makita yung sunrise, guys. Kasi nga maganda yung sunrise dito sa Vietnam. So, ito yung Vietnam, guys. Madaling araw, 5. So, may mga tao na kasi may mga tour. Yan sila, yung mga minibus. Tapos, ito yung paligid natin, guys. During 5 AM. Morning. Nandito na kami sa May An Beach. Katabi ng Mikey Beach, guys. So, yun. Daming mga turista nag-aabang nung sunrise dito sa beach, guys. Daming nagbi-video. Kasi reels na yan eh. Daming nagpa-picture. Yun. So, pumunta kayo dito. Sunrise tsaka sunset, guys. Maganda. Check nyo. Kasi orange na orange yung sun dito, guys. So, yun. Hi, ma'am. Hi. Filipino po kayo? Filipino? Saan po sa Pilipinas? Oh my God. So, hi guys, good morning. So, coffee shop hopping tayo ngayon. So, punta tayo sa one of the famous na coffee shop dito sa Da Nang, guys. Tapos, punta tayo yung parang may archery na coffee, guys. Scene Archery Coffee. So, check natin kasi nga bago. At maganda daw doon. So, let's go! Saan tayo ba?
No.
You don't know. So, nakasakay na kami, guys. Wind Garden Cafe. So, let's go. Check natin yung bestseller din, guys. Chill-chill lang muna tayo, guys. So, maganda dito, guys. Pag wala kayong itinerary, guys. So, talagang coffee, food, beach, yun lang. So, talagang gusto mo ng relaxation, peace of mind, guys. So, punta na kayo dito. Tara, let's go. So hi guys, nandito kami sa The Wind Cafe. Medyo malayo siya sa hotel namin guys. So maganda yung area dito. Kasi nga, very forest vibe na may malaking koi fish. So chill lang talaga dito guys. So kung gusto nyo mag-chill, gusto nyo ng coffee with the forest vibes, punta kayo dito sa Wind Cafe guys. Hi moms! So hi guys, we're going to Sun Archery Coffee and Tea. So check natin guys, kasi nga yun yung bago ngayon dito sa Danang. So we're here guys. Must visit daw to guys. Tara, check natin. Okay, what's your name?
My name is Hong.
Hong?
Yeah.
Okay, you're my trainer, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go play archery. So bullseye guys, bullseye. Hi guys. Mahirap siya guys, you need force talaga. Mabigat. So hi guys, nag-try lang kami. So nag-avail lang kami ng 30 minutes guys. So far, if you're a first timer, nothing to worry. Kasi nga, ano yan ma? So, someone will teach you guys kung paano, yun nga, gawin yung archery. Tapos yun, basic steps lang. Tapos, isang turuan lang guys. Mag-gets nyo na. So, kahit first timer, enough na yung 30 minutes guys. Kasi nga mabigat yung yung equipment, so kailangan
How much is the 30 minutes?
30 minutes is 70,000 dong, and yung 1 hour is 100,000 dong. So yun lang guys, okay naman, good experience. At least na try natin. So let's go. So next stop naman guys, punta tayo ng Han Market kasi nga napabili yung kids nung squishy tsaka dinosaur daw. Tapos punta kami Pink Church guys to pray. So next, yun lang, tara. So we're going to Han Market guys. So yung Han Market is one of the busiest and one of the oldest market dito sa Danang. So bilihan ng pasalubong and doon coffee. So we're looking for squishy guys and dinosaur. I hope na. But I think na.
You have dinosaur?
Dinosaur. I have this one because the only good quality.
How much?
Yeah, maybe like có two. Ở camera này.
So dito sa Han Market guys, so halo-halo na yung binibenta dito. So hi guys, papunta kami Pink Church. So yun lang yung binili namin guys. Kasi nga nakabili na kami sa kabilang market. Kasi puno na yung luggage namin guys. So let's go. So it's so sad kasi nga close yung church. So hindi tayo makapasok. So dito na lang tayo sa labas. So yun, yung Pink Church guys. Okay guys, tapos na kami mag-lunch. So punta muna kami nung parang nail art dito guys. So check natin kung ano yung gawa nila. So let's go. So bumper day daw niya. So, try lang namin guys kung ano yung quality nila dito. Tapos, once na magpa-nail art kayo dito guys, so nagpalinis, may binibigay silang free na water. Tsaka parang, ano to, yung yogurt pa to. Tapos, mochi. Para mochi. So, di ba? Total package talaga. Tara, let's go. So, hi guys. Hi mom. Not hi. This is goodbye guys. So we're going back to Philippines.
Hi, Dana.
So see you next year, Dana.
See you 3 months, Dana.
Balik kami after 3 months. So this is it. So goodbye and thank you. Great time guys. So nag-enjoy kami, relax kami. Yeah, pero
Enjoy the beach.
yeah. Yeah. Pero yung paa namin hindi na relax. So but still we're so grateful, thankful that nakabalik kami dito guys. So that's it. See you at the airport. Bye. Tapos na kami sa Ayaw. So yun lang, madali lang. Wala nang tinanong. Patak na agad. So let's go. Pauwi na kami. Mom.
Goodbye, Dana. See you in 3 months.
See you in 3 months. Bye. Bye.
Airport, Manny.
Airport Balmy.